So I replaced the crankshaft seal. So the engine is clean now, and I have to work on the transmission side too. So next step is get some more parts out, clean the harness, clean the engine bay there and here for sure. Get all that dirt off, maybe repaint it, I don't know it yet. So I have to get the timing belt back on and get the intake manifold out to replace the seals. So the oil pan is in again, and I checked the oil pump and cleaned it. That's all fine. And the next step is to get the water pump in and the timing belt on and all that stuff. And I cleaned the places where the water pump sits and the oil filter flange and the distributor. So I cleaned the transmission, get the starter out and everything, and turned out really good here. And I have still work here on this side a little bit, but for right now it's alright. So I sealed it also with the clear coat. I have to replace the motor mount as well. I ordered it. It takes a few days till it comes. So new water pump and all that stuff is in also. So here are the injectors. I start to clean them and replace the O-rings and the caps. So shift linkage, all that stuff, all the little rods and all that stuff, and yeah, the injectors are in again. Have to work on a brake system. I get out the harness and maybe retape the harness. I'm not sure. I have to look how the condition is of the harness, and then I get it back, wire everything up, and fix the cables tight and all that stuff. And in the next video we replace the shift linkage.